In this video, I will create this staking app. I will work with Thirdweb in order to create the staking token, the reward token, and the staking contract, and with Dappable in order to create this fully working dApp on Ethereum Mainnet, everything without writing a single line of code. Enjoy. So the first thing that I need to do in Thirdweb is to create a project. And then I'm going to go to contract. Now I need to create 3 contracts. The first one is the reward token. The second one is the staking token. And the third is the staking contract himself. Now the staking token, if you want people to provide liquidity and then to stake their LP, then you need to go to Uniswap and then you need to create position on V2. So this will work only on V2 position because V2 position are basically LP token that are ERC20. If you use in V3, then you need NFT, and this is not the scope of this video. So let's start. Let's deploy contract. ERC20 token deployed. I will call it reward token. The symbol will be reward. I can upload photo and description, and this is my address that actually going to handle this token. I'm going to choose Ethereum Mainnet and deploy now. Okay, so this is the token. Now let me duplicate this tab. I will click on contract again, and now I'm going to create the staking token. So deploy token, ERC20, again staking token and staking, the same blockchain, and deploy. That's it. Again, I'm going to open another tab, and now I have the reward token and the staking token, and now let's create the staking contract. Let's click on deployed contract. Here you have stake ERC721, 1155 and ERC20. If you are providing liquidity on V3, so we need to use staking ERC721. So let's choose stake ERC20, deployed, staking contract, stake. And now I need to put the ERC reward token address. So let's go to ERC reward token address. I will copy the address. And then here I need to put the staking token address. This is the staking token address. Again, if you want people to stake their LP token in order for them to provide you liquidity on your pool, then you need to put the staking token LP address. For this demonstration, I want to give people reward every 10 seconds. You can do every hour, every 24 hours, it's up to you, but you need to provide in seconds. And then the reward ratio, so it could be, for example, 1/20. That means that every 20 staking token will reward me 1 reward token every 10 seconds. And again, I'm going to choose Ethereum Mainnet, and that's it. Okay, now I need to do 2 more things. First of all, I need to go to reward token, and then because I don't have token yet, so I need to mint the token. So let's go to token tab and let's mint, let's say 1 million. So I see that I mint 1 million token and I'm the owner of this token. Now what I want to do is to go to Explorer and then write and then approve. I actually need to set approval for the staking contract. So I need to go to the staking contract, take this address, put it here, and then I need to say how many token I want the staking contract will be able to take. Let's give it the entire 1 million. Note that you need to give it in decimals. So in most cases it's 18 decimals. So if it's 1 million token, you need to add 60. But if you don't know, simply go to WeConverter and Let's put 1 million and then take this, put it here, and then execute. So basically, I just give the staking contract approval to take the reward token. Let's go to the staking contract and actually take the token. So I'm going to go to Explorer, right? And then deposit reward token. And again, the amount is in WE and execute. That's it. The last thing that I need to do is to mint some staking token in order for me to demonstrate. So let's do that. This is the staking. Let me go to token, mint. So let me transfer some token to my wallet. I will take this, and then transfer, let's say 1,000. So that's it, I transfer 1,000. So let's jump to Dappable and create the app. Create a staking application. We need to go to the staking contract, copy the staking contract, and that's it. You don't need to copy the staking token or the stake or the reward token. Everything is inside the contract. So let's generate and see the result. You understand that this is the contract as in searching for the ABI. And now we understand that you need 8 steps and he start working. So let's wait to see the result. Okay, that took me around 10 minutes. Let me click here. I can see the app. I can see the staking section and the withdraw section. Let me connect my wallet. Okay, so he identified that I have 1,000. Let's take 250. I need to approve. And confirm. Okay, now I see that I'm staking 250 and I have remaining balance of 750 token to stake. And I see the reward. I can see the ratio and the time, and I can claim. So first of all, let's go to Etherscan. And I see that I stake 250 staking token. Let me go back and let's claim. Let's see this transaction again. This is the transaction, and I see that I receive reward token. So that's it. Everything is working. I see the staking app. I have them in my wallet. I can change the view. I can claim the reward. I can withdraw. Let's withdraw the token just to see that is actually working. So let's withdraw 50 and confirm. And I can see that I withdraw 50. Now let me go back. Let's say that I want to change the theme, so I can choose here. So let's use the matrix and okay, I had a small issue. I just copied the issue and it solved the problem. So now it's version 3. Version 2 is with the issue, and version 1 was the first thing that we checked. So let's switch to the app and see what's changed. So I see that I can claim the reward. Let me do that. So it's supposed to be 1,400 token or so. Let's see. Yeah, so everything is working. So this is the final staking app after we change the theme.